Here is what I use to record sound. It's a Rode mic, Go mic, I think. I would recommend it. I want to show you what happens when I plug it in. First I'll unplug it. And it doesn't say anything. Hopefully you can still hear me. If not, I will have to do another test. But when I plug it in, it shows me that it's now recording through the headset, which actually is not a headset, it's just a mic. And there's the difference. If it wasn't picking up my sound before, I will have to shoot another sound clip without the mic, just going through the mic on the phone itself. And this is my setup. I have a ring light and the mount for my phone and my mic. And usually the mic I have turned around, but obviously I'm behind it, so I have it facing me.